Today we're going to tell you how to operate your refrigerator.
To turn this refrigerator on, the button is on the left hand side. And you'll see those lights come on. So the next button here is your DC button, and by pressing that you're gonna be using your 12 volt to power the refrigerator. Take it back out of 12 volt, press it again, and then you can select, you have gas, you have AC, auto. Over here on this side of the control, you have your temperature settings. So you can dial through those with this button and just cycles through. You can set it to the desired temperature. And to turn the refrigerator back off, just push that on-off switch again. And that is how you operate your refrigerator.